poppin' YouTube? Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I get my lips like this. And if you want to see how you can get your lips popping on a budget, cheap, you know what I'm saying, and look like $1,000,000, this tutorial is for you. And if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe down below right now for people that are new here and this is your first time seeing me. Hey babes. And for my originals, people that have been subscribed to my channel, you're back watching your girl supporting me. Hey love. And yeah, let's get into the video. First things you are going to need, rule of justice. See about here is I just snatched my bonnet off of this video. Just for you babes. Wait. Houston, we got a major problem. Oh, never mind. The first thing you want to do is, I'm so sorry this messed anyway. But the first thing you want to do is on your little crusty lips. Y'all lips not crusty, my lips crusty, okay? So you're gonna take a lip liner, any lip liner of your choice. Now, I'm making this tutorial because I remember I was that girl that see like all the baddies on Instagram, you know, and I see them and like their lips just had something about them, and I'm like how did they get that look? Like, you know, it's like ombre-ish, you know, their lips just look popping, you know what I'm saying? They just look amazing. So I'm like, how can I do that? How can I be down? And you know, I said just go on YouTube, you know, as you are doing now, to see this tutorial to learn how to get your lips popping and how to have beautiful lips yourself. Take a lip liner of your choice. Now I know how to do it because I'm wrong. Okay, so you're gonna take a lip liner of your choice. This lip liner, you can go to a dollar store, you can go to Walgreens, CVS, Dollar General, Sephora, Ulta, whatever, and get you a lip liner of your choice. So I just got this lip liner right here and it says Believe Beauty. I want to say I got this from Dollar General. I believe I got it from Dollar General. And like they have a wide variety of like different kinds you could try. Right now, this is all I have, you know, unfortunately, because I haven't really been so much thinking of changing the color, but I do want to try brown, and I want to try like another color, like a nudish more color. But this is just let me just show you how it looks so you can see. Hope up. Yep, this probably won't work. Darn, this probably ain't gonna work. Let me see. Can y'all see that what it says? Hopefully you can. Gotta focus. Okay, so basically it says Believe Beauty, and it's a long-lasting lip liner. Now look, I can vouch for this lip liner. It does last. Y'all, anyways, y'all go getting off topic. Anyways, it does last a long time. Because usually when I get a lip liner, I'm looking if it could last long, because I don't want to, you know, be thinking I'm cute and my lips bogus, you know what I'm saying? And I'm thinking my lips is over here popping when in reality they're not. So moving on. So this is Believe Beauty, and it's a long-lasting lip liner, and the color or whatever is Hint of Plum. Hopefully y'all can see this part. Come on, focus. It's not trying to focus. I'm so sorry. But it's Hint of Plum. Can't see it, but it does say Hint of Plum. So then you want to just take the top off like I just did, and this is it, you know. And it's definitely a plum color, and then we're just gonna line our lips. Now I don't need a mirror to do this because I'm professional. You know, I can do it right here in front of you guys in the camera because I'm raw like that, of course. All right, and you will be raw too, so you just start lining your lips. Now if you want to be one of those people who go, you know, all out the lip frame and you want the pouty look, you want bigger lips, by all means do so. It is your lips. You can do whatever you want to do. But I'm just gonna line my lips the natural way because I think I have beautiful, luscious lips, and I don't need them to be bigger than that. So yeah. But basically all what I mean is I like my lip size. So you just, it's really now some people, like when I first did it, I thought my line had to be straight. Like, that's crazy. No, actually the messier the better, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Cause y'all probably like messy. So I can't talk. And just, I was talking all that stuff about how I need a mirror, but this light is kind of blinding me. But honestly, I could do, you know, without the mirror. But I'm going to use this mirror right here, this little compact palette. Ain't it cute? It says, I like long romantic walks down the makeup aisle. Okay, so we're just, I don't know. Okay, look. So I'm just going to line my lips. Let me get close so you can see me, girl. Okay, I'm just going to line these things. Line this mess up. Let me make sure this is bright enough. Okay, yeah. Because I don't want to go too far out my lip line. Now notice how I kind of still did it straight on this side. So what I'm going to do is thicken it out. Just like that. And then do the bottom. You see my line is not perfect, but you'll see that it'll still look good. Now I'm not a makeup guru, obviously. But hold on, y'all. But what I do is only thing I wear that is makeup is mascara and lip gloss, or like some type, just lips. I only do my lips and my eyelashes. And it's not like I have anything against people who wear makeup or the makeup community. It's just some things are for some people, if that makes sense. Like, don't get me wrong, I will definitely wear makeup. Like, you'll catch me in makeup, but it's like not something it's not a norm for me, if that makes sense. Like, it's not something I do on, you know. Anyways, so then you want to take a nude lip gloss. Now you can use any nude lip gloss of your choice. I actually got this one, and it's the LA Colors. Oh, is this okay? LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. So this is my favorite lip gloss. The consistency, the way it feels, it just blends. This lip gloss right here blends with any lip gloss. So it's good to use a nude lip gloss. It's good to use a clear lip gloss only, but I like to add a little bit of color to mine. So, but we're gonna use a clear lip gloss too, but we're gonna get to that after. So I'm just gonna take this and just go in the inside. Don't touch the lip liner. Do like this, and then I'm gonna do the top. And you don't need much. And then you just do like this. And you just rub. And this is what gives it that effect. And you just make sure you do like this. Now, don't apply too much because you don't want your lips to be looking funny or whatever. But this is it. Okay, so Jessica the Coolest. No, I'm just playing. But anyways, then you want to take a lip gloss, a clear lip gloss. This is just one that you can give. Look, I don't know about everybody else, but I don't waste my money on lip gloss. You can honestly just go to the beauty supply and get lip gloss for like $2-3, maybe $1. Most of the time $1. Y'all said bless me. Thank you. Okay. So, yeah. This is just a regular gloss, and it is from the beauty supply store. The one and only. It is just by Arcade Kiss. You can just look at this and know which one this is. And the kind is, you know what? Why am I? Anyways, any clear lip gloss would work. Love. So then you want to take a little bit, you know, just a little, and just apply it to your lip. And then I just do like this, just to make sure. And it just makes it so that it just give your lips that luscious look. Like, look at, was my lips looking like this before the video? No, they were not. But this is how. Don't mind my finger. I was eating hot Cheetos and Takis. No, I'm just playing. But this is how the gurus be when they be. This, seriously, this is my lips. And now I'm Jessica the Coos. Oh, I look like a grown woman now. Anyways, so this is my, I don't know why I got this flat line in the middle of my hair, but anyways. So this is my, basically like my lip go-to look. Like if I'm finna go somewhere, or if I just want to look, you know, cute, I just do this lip. This is my go-to lip look. So like, just look at how much better my lips look from when I started the video. You know what I'm saying? 20 times better. You could just go to a beauty supply. The beauty supply, I think, might even have lip liners. You could get just a nude gloss, a clear gloss, and a lip liner, and your lips could look like this. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Comment down below what you want to see next. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe right now, please, and thank you. It'll be very much appreciated. And until next time.